What's up, y'all? It's your boy Timort, and today we actually out here. We're about to go inside this place right here. Yeah, that place right there. It's my daughter's birthday. It's still her birthday, so.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
It's her day, so I let her do whatever she wanna do. Alright, sweetie, let's go eat something, then we'll come back. We'll mess around with this. Yeah. Okay, no candy right now. Let's go eat. Okay, let's go eat. When we come back, I'll let you play here, okay? Yeah.
Where's Mommy?
Mommy's inside. Okay, Mommy's inside.
You too big for her. She's too big. You know, like apple juice? Yes. Okay.
We're at a buffet. I mean, that's the right place to be, cause you know me, I'm gonna be eating a lot. It's maybe that. Abby, it's still your birthday.
Hi.
Hey.
I can't see. I can't see.
No, I need to see. You don't have to see.
I can't see.
I'm the one with the camera. It's a big.
I get the paper. I can't see. I can't see. No.
It's still your birthday.
No. How do you eat?
Alright, I'm gonna go get food. I'm gonna get me and her food and then you go after, okay?
Yeah, it's a baby.
Abby, you go with Daddy. I'm gonna go get food. Okay? Okay, let Mommy hold the food. I don't want you to break it, okay? Okay, let's go get you some fries.
Let's go, Daddy. Let's go, Daddy.
You gonna get me food? You gonna get Daddy's food? She wanna get me some food, so there she is getting me food. She's going up so fast. Abby, you going up so fast? Where's my food? But Abby, sweetie, that's not what I want. Alright, let's eat. That's Mommy's juice. This is Mommy's juice.
Daddy. Go, Daddy.
You gotta eat, sweetie.
Daddy.
You can't eat.
Daddy, look.
There. Eat. You wanna taste my chicken?
No.
You wanna taste my chicken?
Fine.
Okay, eat the
If I knew you were gonna eat once, I would have just went to a different restaurant.
We just ate, and this is what the table looks like. It's a mess, I know. Abby over there, all she do, she didn't even eat nothing. She just messing up the face and messing up herself.
I don't want that.
You don't want no more? You don't like it? I didn't like it much either because look, that's my plate right there.
Daddy!
That's
No, I see Mommy.
Okay. And that's Abby. She like her fruits, but she didn't really eat it that much. She eat those jello things though.
Because we are together.
Alright, well, Mommy's a little bit upset that she wastes all her money. And we didn't eat much. Yeah, I wasn't a big fan of it. She said we should go to a different restaurant, which I don't have no problem with that. But yeah, it is what it is. Well, she didn't have no cake today because she already ate her cake yesterday at her school with her friends. So Daddy missed out on that one. Daddy got here yesterday, so I didn't get none, and they didn't save me none. Shocking, I know. Mommy went to go get some more.
I'm gonna go get her some ice cream.
Oh, she's gonna get her ice cream now. Hey, Pumpkin, you gonna get ice cream? You want ice cream? You like ice cream?
You want to be to Daddy.
Huh?
You want Daddy to have, okay?
I don't understand what you're saying, girl.
No, Daddy.
Look how messy you eat. She eats so messy, girl. So messy, both of y'all.
My area is clean.
Abby.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
That's Mama kite.
You're supposed to say thank you.
Mommy, where's my kite?
It's right there.
What's up?
She said, Mommy, where's my cake?
Oh, what's the cake?
It's right there.
Happy birthday. Did you blow out the candle? Blow out the candle. Blow it.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Abby.
Yeah, I know, right? Nobody sing you happy birthday today?
I get a birthday.
Okay, I'll sing you happy birthday later.
Hey.
Oh.
Am I not here?
Alright, y'all. From me and Abby to y'all, we're gonna say peace out for now. Yeah.
Yes,
It's like everything here in Boston is a little bit different, y'all. The Chinese place is a little bit different. I mean, we at the buffet right now, and it's like everything you want extra, you gotta pay. It's kind of weird because you at a buffet, you're supposed to be all you could eat buffet, right? Which means doesn't matter what you want, whatever your heart desires is supposed to be free. But and also when you're leaving, if you don't leave a tip, they're gonna stop you at the door and tell you can't leave. You have to tip. So when you guys come in here, you guys definitely have to make sure you got extra change in your pocket or something, because you guys can't leave without tipping these people. It's crazy, I know. Weird. Yeah. Alright, it's time to go. So I would definitely have to leave a tip, because if not, they're not gonna let us go. So right now she's looking for the tip. Abby, you ready to go? Because we probably have to leave Mommy here. Mommy gonna have to find out where to tip them. I don't know.
Don't do that.
Alright, she left her tip. That's a tip right there, y'all.
Daddy, look.
But you know what we do when we're leaving? That's too much. That's how we do it. So that's enough. Alright? I'm gonna take this dollar with me. They only deserve $5, because you know, if you don't attend to my table more than you're supposed to, you're not gonna get the extra dollar. So definitely, y'all, if I walk in y'all store or y'all restaurant and you don't attend to me and give me most of the attention, I'm not leaving this dollar. So y'all watch me leave with this dollar. You sure you wanna get napkins? They're probably gonna charge you at the door. Hey guys, if I get pulled over for these napkins, y'all be my witness. She asked me to get the napkins, okay? Alright, let's go. Time to go, y'all. There guys, you see? I told you I wasn't gonna leave that dollar. I take that dollar, y'all. She only deserve $5, y'all. Now Abby gets to enjoy my dollar, the extra dollar.
Daddy, look at this guy.
I thought they was coming back for their dollar, bro. Ain't you got to change the quarter first? And where? Yeah, but to win the stuff, not to...
Hello? Nick Sub says that he can play.
She don't want to play, she want to ride. Alright, y'all, she want to ride. She don't want to play. Huh? We're about to play a game. How much is it, $1?
You can put $1.
Oh, you guys think I got it? Alright, hold the camera. What do you do? Jump, press it?
You're not gonna get it.
Yeah, I come over there to the third grade. Oh! That's so cheap!
You get 2 plays if you put $1. Go try again.
But anyway, guys, it was fun. Let's go see. But this is a wrap. This is it. Hey, look at that. Pretty cool. Anyway, guys, it's a wrap. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and your family. I will see you in the next video, y'all. Peace.